Lego redo. Because it made Legos move.
I really like doing the robots and the Lego League.
Today, my favorite thing is make a rocket ship and blast it up into the sky and then landed them back down. Just putting tape on my rocket. I don't use one as my favorite thing.
I would say the modeling home class because it's cool that you get to see that they laser cut the wood and then make it's sort of like a dollhouse except that you get to sort of like laser cut the furniture and put your own pictures and shapes.
My very favorite thing is Minecraft architecture because I'm really good at building stuff in Minecraft.
In Minecraft, I made this really big castle, and the wall's really 10 blocks high. It was fun.
Probably Minecraft creating Camelot because you get to fight a bunch of mobs and you get to become a knight.
The app inventor and advanced draft.
There's a lot of entertainment here and they just make it a lot of fun.
It can boost your creativity to start building stuff.
It's really fun because it's like stuff that you could do by yourself at home, but it's like in a classroom and you're learning new things that you didn't know that you could do with that before, and like you can interact with other people. So it's like a lot of people like all doing the same thing and you can help one another.
It's really great because in like usual schools, like there'd be a lot of people that are like trying to bug you or be like but here it's like I think it's better, and you also get a better development for like programming.
It makes me feel really happy because I'm with my friends and all the teachers are really nice and it's just really fun being here.
It makes me feel safe, just like comfortable.
I really like it here.
It makes me feel happy.
Happy. Fun. Happy. Very happy, I mean. Can I see the movie now?